Yet again, we pack. We pack all of our stuff. I think we're going to Pinnawala area to see some elephants. It's our dream to touch elephant butts since we were in Israel, just dreaming about Sri Lanka. We will see you after we pack, and we will soon be on our way to the next adventure. Throw the blanket on the GoPro like... Silk factory, and this is the cocoon of the silkworm. After 45 days it's ready, and when you boil it you can get from this 250 meter.
Yes.
Wow. And this is a hand silk loom, you can see, and now you can look in the shop.
Wow.
All the things you can make from silk. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, this is 10 grams.
Yes, it's very light.
This is a silk scarf and it's almost weightless. It's like a feather.
Beautiful.
And it's beautiful too.
And also this is 50 grams. So we are calling short silk because
This is heavy.
yes,
More
yes,
heavy,
yes,
but not heavy.
And
Mali, you like it?
Wow. My favorite
This is-
color.
okay.
This is the thick silk.
Yes, this is raw silk.
Raw silk.
Yes, Britain, European, North American people, they are using for wedding dress, wedding frocks. In this
I can feel. Can you feel the texture? It's
Yes.
like, yeah,
Okay.
that's very cool. Wow, cashmere.
No, it's a little bit different. This is pashmina.
Pashmina.
Pashmina born in Persia. So it's pashmina, Persian word for pure
Oh.
wool. It's made out of animal sheep, part of the neck hair. So this is 100% pashmina, and also we have cashmere. Let me show you the difference.
Hold pashmina.
Oh, wow.
Wow, so cashmere is more like sweatshirt. It's
Yes.
like a little more thick.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
And pashmina, it feels like sweatshirt, but it's very thin. Like it's like a furry,
Yes.
beautiful feeling.
Kashmir born in
Look at Mali.
part of the India.
I
It is-
love
yes.
everything.
It is made out of animal sheep, full body hair. Okay.
Yes.
Full body.
Yes, animal sheep.
Sheep.
Full body
Ah,
hair.
the sheep. Okay, okay, okay.
The haircut. They give the sheep a haircut.
Yes, yes,
And then-
okay.
You can see this is cashmere,
Oh, it's beautiful.
handmade,
Handmade
and
cashmere.
embroidered.
Okay, Mali is going to try a sari. It was her dream since.
Waiting for this moment.
Which color will be beautiful on
I
you?
think blue because
Because of your
it matches
eyes.
to my eyes. But I also love pink. But what do you
I
think?
think.
Blue like this, or this pink you can see
Ooh,
This
This-
one.
this one is a beautiful color.
like this.
Yes.
Okay, Mali is going to try a sari, and we will show you soon what Mali looks like in the sari. Mali is getting dressed. She's putting on a undershirt for the sari, and we're going to show her soon as a Sri Lankan woman. She already has Sri Lankan name, Mali. Everyone here is surprised. Mali? So, show you in 1 minute. So the normal sari, I just started recording, but she just said it's 6 meters long. You can see there's a lot of fabric in the sari. So I'm guessing it also costs a pretty nice amount. It looks like a beautiful sari, like you would wear to some fancy dinner or some
Yes. Like,
event.
you right about
Yes,
it?
This is a fancy sari.
Yes. No, you can use like a
Wow, look,
for
she's
wedding parties.
She's making the fold. I see this on the internet before we come, but look, wow. We were looking before we came at how to wear sari. It's like an art, the way to tie it. Wow, Mali, you picked the right color. So pretty.
Wow.
Maybe when we move to Sri Lanka,
Yes.
then we can buy you a sari.
Yes, and maybe someone will invite me to a wedding. And I take.
For sure, for sure. If we will move here, we'll have many friends. So here we have the bobby pin. And soon the style will be complete.
I feel like a Sri Lankan princess. Yes, yeah.
Wow.
That's it?
No,
No.
one more.
Almost.
Maybe one more.
Almost
So we
there.
have
Look at this.
I don't see it right now, but I feel so pretty.
Soon I will show you.
this is for here. So red color means married, black color means unmarried.
Unmarried.
What can we do?
What can I do?
Yes.
Yay! That's it? I'm ready?
Yeah, you're right.
Wow.
Almost
Now I'm officially Sri Lankan it girl.
Yes, Mali. Her name is Mali.
Mali, yes.
Yes, she is already Sri
Oh my
Lankan.
god!
Ah, you are excited?
Wow! Wow!
Yes,
wow.
I'm also excited. It's a. I'm going to cry.
Oh, you want
It's so
to cry?
beautiful.
Wow!
Wow, it's so
Oh,
beautiful.
thank you! Wow!
Yes. From your reaction. Nice.
Nice.
I take a picture on the phone.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna take a few pictures, and then
Wow, thank you. What's your name?
we will come back.
Sachini.
Sachini. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sachini. So nice.
You can see we've been transported to Lion Rock. Wait, if I get closer, then I can. Up.
What?
No, because it's the GoPro. Yeah, but
okay.
I will take picture on the phone. It will look really good.
You want to take a photo with the phone?
Just exit the Sari store.
I can't stop smiling.
Yeah, we had a really cool experience.
Wow.
Hey, like good tourists, we want to see the world's biggest Buddha, and this place is really crazy. We are at the Golden Temple in Dambulla, and in 1 minute we are going to see the biggest Buddha statue in the world. Okay, 1 second, I'm going to show you. Alright, I don't know if you're ready for this. Oh my god. Oh my Lord. Maybe I should say, oh my Buddha. This is wild. I don't know how tall this statue is. Honestly, I don't know what to say. And I already see some monkeys walking around here. Golden Buddha. Wow. We're on our way to Pinnawala and it's already starting to get late. Oh, the monkeys, they're coming. Can't trust these monkeys.
Hi.
Mali, what you think of the Golden Buddha?
I'm speechless. I never seen something like that.
Alright, we're about halfway. I think halfway.
Yes, yes, yes.
Half?
Yes.
So 1 more hour.
Yes.
We're discovering some really cool music. You can search YouTube for HR Jyotipala or Jyoti Mix Hit Songs, and you can listen to some great music like this. Guys, if you know some good Sri Lankan music, some good Sri Lankan movies, please recommend us. We would love to see. So like any good adventure, we're kind of lost in the middle of nowhere. Kind of lost, hello. And our driver is so tired, but we come to this beautiful jungle. It's like somewhere near Pinnawala and something like this. And this guy just stopped to help us. Hi. Back in the car or we wait? Okay.
Sometime he'll come here.
Okay, he's going to come here?
Yes.
Good. Good. So we are here in the some kind of jungle. Oh, this is our friend? You are from the hotel?
Yeah, friend.
Ah, you are Gaisha. Nice to meet you, man. Okay, we met Gayashan from the hotel and now we're going to understand what's going on. So here we are following Gayashan to the hotel. This is... It's okay. So it's already nighttime almost, still a little bit of light in the sky. And we arrive at Gayashan's beautiful family home. Okay, we're doing Ancient Gardens room tour. Really nice seating area. Before I show you the bed.
Okay. Hi, and welcome to our dinner at
Nature Ancient Gardens.
Ancient Garden.
Outside of Pinnawala.
Yes, like
It's in a real local neighborhood. And in the morning we'll show you this better. But we are on the second floor balcony. You see? Down there is the garden. And I'm lighting this a little.
yes, it's
So we can see something. Green bean curry, eggplant curry, papadam, some chicken, potato curry. We have this big rice with penda leaves inside, I can see. Good morning. Now I can show you in the daytime what this place looks like. They're building a pond. It's gonna be ready soon. Good morning.
All good?
Yes.
Yes.
We started our work. Is it okay for you?
Yes. Ah, this is the funny one. He makes funny noise.
Yeah, today morning.
He's like, what? Good morning, chickens. How are you doing? Buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck.
Everything was fine in your room?
Yes.
And a good sleep?
And here's Mali. Good morning, Mali.
Good morning.
Mali got stung by a caterpillar last night. But now it's looking better after the coconut oil. And Prashan and Gayashan, they brought us some breakfast. Some rotis with chicken and some rotis with vegetable and some plain. Hey, we're on the tuk-tuk on the way to meet some elephants. We're here with Prashan. Hello, Prashan.
Hi.
Maharaja Elephant Village, number 17. Hey, we got our tickets. We don't get the tickets for riding, only for the washing and feeding and meeting, so we're very excited now. Oh, look at this bridge, go!
Oh. Wow. Finally. Wow. But I don't... Oh my god.
Hello, sir. Hi. Giving my honest first impressions. We're still waiting our turn. There's this guy. He has a stick with a sharp end. I know this is everywhere because it's for the protection of people next to the elephants. In the meantime, he was yelling at him some commands but not using the stick. But what is noticeable is that the elephant knows to obey because of training. Oh. I'm gonna have to think after this experience what I really feel about this thing, because it's not a simple experience. You can hear the yelling in the background. We decided to return the ticket for the washing and
Yes.
all of this stuff because we just want to pet the
Just
elephant and
don't
say
need
that
it.
we love him. Okay.
Be good.
Hi.
Don't
Hello.
fight elephants.
I'm Jonathan.
Hi.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, Mali.
Name Kandula.
Kanduro?
Kandula.
Boy.
So this is Kandula. Hi Kandula. Hi Kandula.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yes?
Hi Kandula. Sweet boy.
Wow.
Sweet boy. Okay.
Ah,
There you go. Oh, I touched it.
oh my god.
Here, give him pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Oi.
Ah,
Ah.
nice. Wow.
Wow. Amazing.
Yes. Okay. This is Kandula, guys. We wish him the best. Thank you, sweet guy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Yes, you take photo. You take
Like this?
photo without me.
Here? Okay.
Like this hug.
Like the elephant.
I don't know what he likes about these lifts, but he's cleaning himself. He's giving himself a bath. I won't be touching elephant butts, only elephant trunks. Yeah, he's amazing. Royal animal. And this guy seems to be taking good care of him. Okay, we're back in the tuk-tuk after a very emotional experience. We're on the way to a waterfall. So it might be hard to see on the GoPro, but this is a tree full of bats, and there are a few of the trees full of bats. And they are here above this river, Mahuoya. It's a big river passing through this area. So Prashant just took us to this beautiful waterfall. You will see it soon from close. And also his neighbors are here. We just got to this
Amazing.
like secret local spot, waterfall. You can see there's lots of little natural pools here. So we're just gonna like take a little dip, drink some beer, and head back to rest. We've been having crazy days. We have our feet in the cool water. It's actually not freezing. It's really nice.
This is our first date
At a waterfall.
Yes, it's amazing.
So we came back from the elephants. I really took it. It wasn't easy for me to see. Originally we planned to bathe the elephants and all kinds of stuff, but we noticed that it's very aggressive. So in the end we just decided to pet him, say hello, and give him some food. If you go to a place like this, don't take part in the abuse. Don't ride the elephant. Don't make it do anything it doesn't want to do. And now we are going to just enjoy this beautiful waterfall. Mali,
Yes.
what do you think about the waterfall?
Wow, it's amazing. At the beginning, the water was a little bit cold, but after it became feels very nice. I see there's no many people here, so this is kind of secret place.
Only some families.
Only some families,
Making
local
picnic.
families making picnic. Here behind me, they
Yes.
just wash all their
Pots and pans.
pots and pans. Okay, and the family is very friendly, and I don't know, we're just chilling here with our lion beer, and
Oh,
it's a nice place.
that's a rhyme. We're just chilling here with our lion beer. We're just chilling here with our lion beer. We're just chilling here with our lion beer. Okay.
Okay.
You can see, I also took a dip in the water, but I got out to film Mali. Yeah, it's a nice, refreshing experience after this whole thing with the elephants. It gives us time to calm down and think about it. Okay, we're back home in Ancient Gardens. Hi, Mom. Hi Saba, hi Dad, hi sister. I know you're all watching. We love you. Also to Mali's mom and Mali's dad and her family. Yes. We are drinking some beer. I am drinking beer with Coca-Cola. I invented a new drink. And our friends Gayashan and Prashan brought us some papadam for snacks. This place, they take care of you like in a serious way. We feel very at home, and I'm glad we stayed for 2 nights so that we really got to spend some time with them. Today we drove all around Pinnawala with Prashan, did all kinds of stuff that you saw earlier in the episode, and now we're enjoying, like, look at this beautiful sunset, these beautiful colors. We're booking a taxi now for tomorrow from Pinnawala area to Iriketia, and we're gonna see you in the next part of our adventure where we go back to the beach and see all kinds of amazing things.
Cool stuff.
Okay, Mali, hit the camera so we say bye. Bye!
Bye.
Wow, the colors are getting more and more pink.